Globally, there's been a rising consumer demand for products that are natural, can help reduce calories and mainstream products around the world, and stevia is one of those ingredients that can do it. It's gotten big buzz in markets around the world where it's been approved, and it's about to be approved in Europe. So we're here to bring that education to help our customers be prepared for those launches. We've got 70 different companies from 15 different countries around Europe here today, and it's really about giving them the tools necessary to be prepared when this approval comes through.
Stevia is the first natural zero-calorie, high-intensity sweetener. It originates from Paraguay. It's a shrub that has been used there by Guarani Indians for centuries. Stevia sweeteners require 3 times less resources, including land, water, energy, to give you the same amount of sweetness as opposed to sugar. So it's much more efficient and effective than any other sweeteners that are available today.
Our mission at PureCircle is to improve the health of consumers around the world, working with manufacturers to supply them natural ingredients like stevia.
The obesity problem has actually got so great now that people are talking about a global epidemic, a global pandemic. Well, stevia is a zero-calorie sweetener, and consumers are probably more likely to buy food sweetened with a natural sweetener than with an artificial sweetener.
I think what's unique about PureCircle is that we have an integrated supply chain that goes from leaf to final product to the consumer. That means that we can control the quality, the consistency, we have scalability, and more important, we can actually innovate based on that supply chain. We are definitely the largest. We were the first, we were the innovators, and now we still have the largest supply chain.
Stevia has been very well received in France. About 50% of the population is aware about stevia, and 90% of the consumers using stevia are satisfied.
We have seen on the French market a big increase in the category of low-calorie sweeteners. The category grew 25% in 12 months. We have been able to gain around 2 million new households that are actually using our product.
Any kind of advances in products that can help us reduce our calorie intake has got to be a way forward.
A lot of industries across Europe, and especially the northern parts of Europe, which I handle, is very interested in stevia and its different applications.
North Sugar and PureCircle has formed a joint venture to take stevia and stevia sucrose, which are combinations of stevia and sugar, to the market in northern and central Europe.
We have been approached by PureCircle 1.5 years ago to create a joint venture between Tereos and PureCircle. The idea is to distribute the exciting range of stevia extract of PureCircle. We have also created a fantastic product, a blend of sugar and stevia extract. It's a great taste, and this product is very easy to handle for producers of food and beverage.
We've all learnt a lot today. We've done lots of tastings, we've heard from loads of interesting people.
In terms of the stevia versus artificial sweetener argument, it's been absolutely fascinating. I really think it will take off.
I think it's going to be an excellent product for consumers as a whole, and I think it's eventually going to become part of everyday life.
We see the future of stevia as that it is one of the next mass volume sweeteners. So from a consumer perspective, it's recognized. You walk down the street and you ask somebody about stevia across France, across greater Europe, across the US and Mexico, that it becomes a household name.